Somebody's happy. We got dry ice today. Gosh.
Got dry ice. We got Wilderton's new Aperitivo. Very excited.
Yeah, so it's made like an Amaro, which is like a sweet, bitter, after dinner digestif. Let's give this a little try.
Yep. Smells orange and bitter.
It's right, super intense, like you would expect from an Amaro.
Wow. It's almost medicinal.
Yeah.
Glad I'm gonna mix it. I would never drink this straight. It's not very sweet. How much sugar? 8 grams of sugar per serving. That's not very much. 30 servings in here. Yeah. I like that it's not super sweet. That's good.
But it's exactly like it should be with that extra bitter component. So, gentian root, there it is again. Quassia, rhubarb, sandalwood, cubeb pepper, chardonnay concentrate.
It's earthy, it's bitter, it's very, very interesting. So I'm going to make a pomegranate spritz with it. So I've got pomegranate juice in here. I'm going to add in some of the Aperitivo, and I think I may need to do it one at a time though. So.
And you're going to mix this with the Gruvi?
And I'm going to add the Gruvi Rose. Gruvi is nice and dry. It just has citric acid in it. It's one of my favorite completely not de-alcoholized sparkling wines. It's really tasty and it works great in cocktails.
Is that 2 ounces?
2 ounces, yeah.
Huh. That'll be interesting. Okay.
Yeah, it'll be nice and bitter.
And you put some glitter in here?
I did put glitter in there.
Wow, look at the drink going all sparkly.
Yeah. Look at those sparkles. Sparkle sparkles.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. We always joke about making magic potions, and today it feels like we're truly drinking magic potions.
Wow. Super tart, but bitter, but sweet with that rosé.
That is really good.
Oh, I like that.
I like it. It's definitely at least an 8.
Oh, come on, we got bubbles. We got bubbles.
You got glitter, you got dry ice. Presentation is perfection.
I'm calling this the vampire's kiss, and yes, I put glitter in it.
The vampire kiss.
Now they suggest to serve this with just some soda water and a lemon slice. I'm sure it's very tasty and refreshing. But this is a little darker, a little bit more bitter with that pomegranate juice.
It's a perfect complement for the pomegranate juice, definitely. And when do you get a drink with dry ice in it?
Not that often. And it's very fun when you have it.
So is this your personal recipe? Or did you?
I adapted it to include Gruvi. A lot of the recipes suggest a rosé or sparkling rosé. And there are a lot of really good alternatives that were de-alcoholized. Like Joyous has a really amazing sparkling rosé. But I feel like this Gruvi does the trick because it's nice and dry and bubbly, and that's really what you want. Because you don't want to take away from the flavor of the Aperitivo. You don't want to interfere with that nice bitter orange and earthy flavors that are going on in there.
All right. So how much was this sucker?
I think because I had a coupon, it was like 30, but it's usually between 35 and 40.
One thing I have to say about Wilderton that continues to impress me is they just have, their whole line is pretty amazing, very unique. kind of flavors. Like, who puts frankincense in your freaking drink? Like, but it's well crafted and definitely a nice, sophisticated addition to a drink. This is our first ever 10.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. It definitely. I can't drink it too fast because it's too bitter. I have to slow down, which is a good thing.
Yeah, could nurse that for a long time.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Right.
Happy Halloween, y'all.
Happy Halloween.